Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make hot chocolate. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and 1 cup of your favorite milk. A small splash of vanilla extract can elevate the flavor, so have that ready too. Make sure you have a small saucepan and a whisk on hand for smooth mixing. This simple method ensures a delicious, comforting drink every time. Begin by combining the cocoa powder and sugar in your saucepan. Whisk them together thoroughly to break up any clumps and ensure a smooth mixture. Next, slowly pour in 1 cup of milk, continuing to whisk until the dry ingredients are fully dissolved and the liquid is uniform. Place the saucepan over medium-low heat, stirring frequently. Heat until it's hot and steaming, but be careful not to let it boil. Once your hot chocolate is perfectly heated, remove it from the stove. Now is the ideal time to stir in about 0.5 teaspoon of vanilla extract, which truly enhances the chocolatey notes. Carefully pour the warm beverage into your favorite mug. For an extra treat, consider adding a dollop of whipped cream, a sprinkle of cinnamon, or a handful of mini marshmallows. Enjoy your cozy creation. For an even richer and creamier hot chocolate, try using whole milk or a plant-based milk alternative like oat or almond milk. Remember, you can always adjust the amount of sugar and cocoa powder to perfectly match your personal taste. If you prefer it sweeter or more intensely chocolatey, feel free to experiment. Also, make sure to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. They are perfect for all your kitchen needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.